To Sampula, in this video, I am going to demonstrate how to study the elevation of a given DEM data in 3D. So, there are many software to study this. I am going to use ArcGis, and under ArcGis, there are many tools such as ArcMap, ArcScene, and ArcCatalog. For my purpose, I am going to use ArcScene. Search for ArcScene if you have downloaded or shared the ArcGis. Okay. Click on the blank scene to start your new work. Then OK. Step 1. Add the data. The data that I am going to add is the raster data, which is digital elevation model of a Thimphu Songkap. Unlike ArcGis Pro, upon selecting the raster layer and clicking the properties and setting its height, it would have given us the elevated raster layer. But the one that I'm using is the cracked version of ArcGis. Under this, it doesn't show up the result. So it means that it is not in proper coordinated system. For that, we need to do projection. Next step is projection. So we need to project both the scene layer and the raster layer. To project the scene layer, select on the right scene layer, scene properties. The current coordinated system is in GCS, which is an angular unit in degree. To make the elevation into meter and feet, meter or feet, click on the projected coordinated system, UTM, which stands for Universal Transverse Mercator, and WGS 1984 to match the current coordinated system. The northern hemisphere, because the button lies in northern hemisphere, and from this and from all of these we can select whatever we want. Let us select this, set, apply. Now to project the raster layer, go into the search panel and search for raster project. Then choose data management tools. Then fill the input layer, the DEM of a Thimphu Songkap. This is the file that you want to save. So project to coordinated system like we did earlier. Okay. Now wait for a while. And now you can tick off the unwanted and keep the projected one. And as you see, the white voids shows that that particular location doesn't have the data, which means it doesn't show the elevation here. But we cannot leave it till here. We can overlay with its nearest neighboring data using the nearest neighbor method. For this, search enable, choose spatial analyzed, and again fill in the data like we did it earlier. Tick it off this. Okay. Done. Now we can set its elevation depending on what you want. Apply. Now let us set the symbology for easy distinguishing. Okay. Now this is the elevation. If you zoom it, the purple one shows the elevation of 6,805 meter. And the lowest elevation here is shown by the red, which is 439 meter. If you want your image to save it in flat image, click to the file, choose scene and select 2D. And if you want your image for other 3D software, choose 3D. And yes, don't forget to save after you have done or after you have completed your work. I hope this video helps you a lot. Please like, share and subscribe.